Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So friends, today with the help of this video I want to share with you very important information as to why your car insurance could be declared as invalid. So what are the reasons behind it and what are the precautions you have to be taken while taking any insurance of your car. So friends, as we know that driving a car without a valid driving license is totally illegal in India. However, despite being legally mandated, having a vehicle insurance policy, it has some advantages. You get insurance against very physical damages of your car or theft of your car and or accidental mishappenings. So car insurance, while any policy provides for financial benefit in any such instances or cases. So basically car insurance is one of the highly bought insurance products in India and odds of its being approved are very highly as compared to various other type of insurance policies. Some very simple reasons as to why it may lead to rejection of your car insurance or your car insurance policy is claim. So with the help of today's video, I am going to share the important information as to why those are the reasons in brief why your car policy may be declared as a void and or null and void. So firstly, the first point is car inspection. When we talk about the inspection of a vehicle, there are some scenarios or cases wherein the process can be a compulsory for determining the fitment and eligibility of your vehicle. Some of the insurance providers may insist you get the inspection of your vehicle when you take the policy. Normally, when your existing insurance policies lapses or expires due to some reasons, and due to after that means to say it after expiring the policy of your car, you want to renew it, then the basically inspection of your car is mandatory. So in addition to this, when you are renewing your existing policy, car insurance policy, you might be asked for an inspection of your car. Some insurance providers inspect the vehicle free of cost, while other may charge fees for the same. The inspection of the car is done by the authorized agents and official of the concerned insurance companies. Second main point to be keep in mind is regarding false claims. So insurance policies are designed for the benefit of the common man and which is based on a good faith. Even if a single attempt to make a fallacious claim is identified by your insurance providers, you can lose the advantage of your car insurance, and there is also a risk of a legal charges that can be levied by the insurer. Third main important point is delay in paying premium. We can also say that the delay in premium payments. So it is very necessary and essential for you to make timely payments for your insurance premiums. So making premium payments before the insurance policies expires has many benefits, and no claim bonus, that is to say as NCB, is one of those. Generally, the insurance companies offer a grace period of some days after expiring of your policies, and you can use this grace period in case of some unavoidable circumstances, and delays in the premium payments could also be accepted under these circumstances. However, repeated occurrence or further delays in premium payment can cause or lead to a car insurance policy invalidation or claim rejection. Fourth important point is regarding not mentioning the modifications made in the car. So if you are among those persons who have made some modifications or alterations in your car, like installations or fitments, you must disclose these changes to your insurance provider. So these modifications or changes which you have done at your own instance can be caused to your functional or cosmetics. It may be in the case of cosmetics types or functional types, but you must have to inform the insurer providers that these changes have also been made by you in your car, so that in case of any mishaps it will not take any plea or prejudice to you, causing that you have make own changes or additional alterations in your car. Therefore, your policy will be declared as a void. So, however, every modifications which you made in your car has to disclose about the modifications which you have done to the your car. So there are basically high chances of claim rejection or policy invalidations if you fail to mention the details of modifications to the insurer. Next, fifth point is invalid car insurance policy. In case of unfortunate instance, a claim is accepted only when you have an active and valid car insurance policy. Forgetting to renew a car insurance policy is one of the common scenarios in that case. So if your insurance policy is expired, the insurer for sure will reject your claim. Therefore, it is advisable to have an active insurance policy and get it renewed before its expiry, so that you will get, in case of mishaps, the proper claim which you entitled as per the policy taken by you for your car. The sixth point regarding this, using personal vehicle for commercial use. That's the very common reason that we can see in the hilly areas, because the normal person who has purchased the car for his personal use, then thereafter they try to use for commercial purposes. So if you use your car for commercial purposes, like loading materials or goods and passengers, carrying passenger from one place to another, and thereafter due to some personal reason, some accidents may mishaps or it gets damaged, the chances of claim rejection are very high, because you have to prove before the insurer provider that how this mishappening was happened. So this is because the private vehicle that is used for commercial purposes or business purposes is considered that out of the scope of the insurer. So in that case of a claim, your claim may also be rejected. So if your insurer finds in this case that your private vehicle has been used or was being used for commercial purposes, then your claim can instantly be rejected. So seventh main point regarding this is fleeing from the spot of the accident. It is very quite common to get panic in case of a sudden mishappening or accident that has been occurred due to your negligence or the negligence of others. So however, running away from the spot of the accident or taking away the car from there can leave a negative impact to the insurer. The reason for this is very simple, that insurer inspects the accident spot and the damaged vehicle thoroughly before approving your claim. So if as an insured you are not present at the spot or at the place where the incident was happened, or you flee your damaged car from that place, then your claim may be rejected. Definitely your claim can be rejected. Next point is not following the claim process of your insurance provider, because there may be some procedure which you have to follow to claim for your car policy. So if the damages incur to the insured car, there are certain types or steps that you must follow. You are required to follow a process for ensuring the integrity of this incident for eliminating any kind of false play. This process can be the submission of the list of documents that may be required by the service providers, insurance providers, or the accurate details of the accident, such as the date and time of the accident, as to who was traveling at that time, and any mishappenings occurred or injuries or incident caused to the persons. Such details you have to be provided to the insurance provider timely, and if you fail to do so, the insurer can take it as a breach of your compliance and it can reject your claim. So next important point is providing false information. Sometimes it may happen that if any mishappening is caused to you, but you want to take a more claim than which you entitle, then it may also reject your claim, because when you are applying for a car insurance policy, you must provide accurate details in the proposal form, because fabricated documents, fabricated information just for the sake of reduced premium of the insurance policy can lead to claim rejection during the inspection. The next and last important point is regarding not following the law, because no one wants to get involved in any type of road accident. However, it is natural and may be caused by a series of events or due to any mishappenings. So these events can be unfortunate coincidence on your own mistakes. However, they should not be because of not following any road law or any rule which has been made under the Motor Vehicle Act or under any for the safety of the general citizens. However, they should not be because of the not following any of rule or any accident that is caused due to breaking the law or driving the vehicle in a very negligently or under the influence of alcohol or other intoxicating drugs is not entertained by any insurer. If the insurer thinks or finds that any such instances happen that the person is in the intoxicated or having taken drugs, then your claims be rejected, or it may invalidate your car insurance policy as invalid. So finally, our suggestion to you is that the bottom line, can we say that you have to be very careful for when you are driving your own car, because you must take all the precautions or procedures to avoid any instance that can lead to insurers your claim rejection. However, the insurance company for sure approves your claim as per the coverage mentioned in your car insurance policy. But if you claim for the right reasons, only then you are entitled for it. So therefore, it is advisable to all of my audience or viewers to drive your vehicle safely and buy a suitable car insurance policy for any such unpredictable instances from time to time. So if your car policy is going to expire, please try to renew it as soon as possible so that these type of scenarios will not be faced by you. So friends, I hope you like this video regarding the basic information as to why and in what cases your car insurance could be invalid on the following grounds which we have discussed today with the help of this video. So friends, if you want in future this type of videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that every new videos will be available to you from time to time. Thanks for watching this video.